Congratulations to this month's hands-on hero, Andrea Herron, nominated by the Central Coast Breastfeeding Coalition.
I want to thank the Breastfeeding Coalition for nominating me to be the hands-on hero for First Five. I think the best word to describe her is baby whisperer.
What an inspiration Andrea has been for all of us, and such a support. And it really is able to build connections for us in giving us confidence as a mom. So I'm getting emotional.
It's amazing what you do because it's so much more than about breastfeeding. It's about community.
We started tandem breastfeeding with Andrea, and we couldn't have done it without her. Oh my gosh, she was so awesome.
You are much more than a nurse. You are a friend, a mentor, a mother figure for so many new moms and moms returning to motherhood.
And by doing the support groups, you feel that you're not alone. You meet other moms that are going through the same thing.
When we were trying to start a neonatal ICU support group for the moms of babies that had been in the NICU, she readily volunteered having this at her office here for free, and I can't tell you how grateful I am to her and how deserving she is of this award. She is a champion for breastfeeding.
Oh, we're so grateful for her and our lasting friendship that we've developed through this journey together.
Congratulations, Andrea, and thank you so much.
Well, every day I go to work and I say to myself, I know I should be retired, but I can't retire because I love what I do so much that I'm going to do it until someone tells me I shouldn't be doing it anymore.
You can learn more about our hands-on heroes in the SLO Journal Plus and at first5slo.org.